Hello there, Jomo. How are you doing?
Jumbo, Socrates. Nzuri sana. Habari wewe.
I'm okay. What are you up to this afternoon?
Well, I just finished watching a movie at Sarit Center, and some friends and I are going bowling at Village Market later this evening. I plan to spend the rest of the day investigating how I can be as rich and powerful as possible.
Now, Jomo, are you sure that all this money and power are good for your soul?
I don't know if they're good things, but I know that I have always wanted them.
Well, shouldn't we find out if they are any good first? I mean, shouldn't you investigate whether money and power will make you happy before you spend your life chasing after them?
Wow, I never thought about it before. I suppose I should look into it. But don't you know whether they are any good, since you are so very wise?
I don't know, Jomo. I never knew what was good for the soul myself, though I always wanted to know.
Well, maybe we can ask someone else.
I agree, but look here. If I want to know how to take care of my body, to whom will I take my question?
To your doctor.
Or say I want to know how to take care of my teeth.
You would talk to a dentist.
Or if you want to learn how to take care of your car properly, whom would you consult?
That is an easy question. I would talk to the auto mechanic.
Right. So it seems that, in every case, when we want to know what is good for something, we go to the person who is an expert in that something.
So it seems, Socrates.
So, since we want to learn what is good for the human soul, whom will we talk to, and who will answer our question for us?
Great Scott, Socrates. I have no flipping clue.